Download and install VMware. Download ISO file of Kali Linux and open VMware. Downloading link of VMware and ISO file are given in description. After launching VMware, click on Create a new virtual machine. Browse and select directory for installation. I have created new folder and renamed it as Linux. It all depends upon your wish. Click Next. Declare size of disk you want to assign to Linux. And click Next. Click Customize hardware. Assign processors and RAM according to your PC. I have assigned 2 processors out of 4 and 2 GB RAM out of 4 GB. Click Close. Click Finish. Select Linux and click Play Virtual Machine, or the play button given in status bar. Choose Graphical Install and hit Enter. Choose Language and click Continue. Select United States and click Continue. Select American English option and click Continue. Enter host name, you can choose any name of your choice. And click Continue. Enter domain name or skip it by clicking Continue. Enter any name of your choice, and click Continue. Enter username and remember it, then click Continue. Enter password and remember it, then click Continue. Choose time zone according to your region and click Continue. Use entire disk and click Continue. Click Continue. Choose recommended option and click Continue. Click Continue. Click Yes, and then click Continue. Use recommended settings and click Continue. This will take time, I am increasing speed of video. Wait and keep watching, it's gonna take time.
I'm floating through the air.
Click Yes, and then click Continue. Choose the second option, and click Continue. Click Continue. Linux is starting, don't press any key. Enter username and password and click Login. All done. Enjoy your Linux, and subscribe for more tutorials.